Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today, we're going to be making the easiest chaat recipe for weight loss and a quick snack. So here we have some cabbage, we have some onions, we have some tomatoes, we have some boiled chickpeas. For this, when we were boiling it, we put some salt in, like 2 tablespoons of salt in when we were boiling it. Then we have some yogurt. Then we have some mint, coriander, and some black pepper. Here we have some lime juice, some lemon juice, and this is the ingredients we need. So firstly, we're going to be adding some black pepper, then some coriander, and then we're going to be adding some mint. We're adding some cabbages, some tomatoes, and some onions. And then we're going to add some lime juice. And it's optional if you guys want to add yogurt or not. It's better with both of it. But I recommend without the yogurt because I like it without the yogurt. But it's your guys' choice. And then we added some lemon juice. And then just mix it up. And I think it's all done. So our recipe is all done. So here is the chaat without the yogurt, and here it is with yogurt. It's your guys' choice if you like it without the yogurt or with the yogurt. But I like it this one, so you can choose which one you like. And that's it for today. If you guys like this recipe, don't forget to share, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification button. And I'm gonna see you guys on the next vlog. Until then, bye!